Welcome to Everyday Money Matters, where we explore practical tips on saving and making money in your daily life. Get ready to embark on a journey towards financial empowerment and smart choices. Subscribe now and let's make every day count for your wallet. In today's video, we will discuss late payments and how they affect your credit score. Now let's get to it. Consistently making on-time payments is an important part of using credit responsibly. But nobody's perfect. And making an accidental late payment can happen to anyone. But what happens next? How do late payments affect your credit? And is it ever possible to get a late payment removed from your credit report? Key takeaways that you will learn from this video. You can't remove accurately reported late payments from your credit report. You can only get a late payment removed from your credit report if it was reported in error. To get an incorrect late payment removed from your credit report, you need to file a dispute with the credit bureau that issued the report containing the error. Setting up automatic payments can help you avoid late payments, and regularly monitoring your credit can help you spot any that were inaccurately reported. According to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, negative information, such as late payments, can stay on a credit report for up to 7 years. Late payments can impact your credit scores for that entire period, but the impact typically decreases over time. You can't remove a correctly reported late payment from a credit report. And according to the CFPB, you can't pay a company to do it for you either. So, if you see companies offering to remove accurately reported late payments and other negative information from your credit reports, don't buy it. Say you made a payment on time, but it was inaccurately reported to the credit bureau as late. You should be able to remove it from your credit report. This is because the payment was reported late in error, which is the only way a late payment can be removed from your credit report. Incorrectly reported late payments on your credit report can be removed by filing a dispute with the credit bureau that's reporting the error. If you find the same error on your reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, you may have to file separate disputes. Once you file the dispute, it'll be investigated. If the late payment is found to have been reported in error, it'll be removed from the credit report. You can look to the CFPB for more guidance on how to dispute an error on your credit report. It's hard to know exactly how late payments impact your credit score. That's partly because you have multiple credit reports and scores. Credit reports are compiled by 3 major credit bureaus. They contain information about your credit history, including things like payment history, account status, and credit utilization ratio. Then, credit scoring companies, like VantageScore and FICO, use that information to calculate your credit scores. But each credit score might be calculated differently. And late payments might be treated in different ways. So while it's hard to predict the exact impact of a late payment, payment history can be an important factor in calculating credit scores. And making on-time payments is a good way to keep late payments from impacting your scores at all. Typically, late payments aren't reported to the 3 major credit bureaus until they're at least 30 days past your payment due date. But it's still best to pay on time and make at least the minimum payment as soon as possible. A late payment made before it's 30 days past due can still have consequences, like late fees, interest rate increases, and losing a promotional APR. Plus, late payments are typically also reported to the credit bureaus when they reach 60, 90, 120, and 150 days past due. As those days add up, the impact of the late payment might grow. Here are a few ways to help you stay on top of payments. Set up automatic payments. Create alerts or reminders on your mobile devices. Create a budget spreadsheet and add those dates to your calendar. Review your finances on a regular basis to ensure you have enough funds to make payments. Remember, accurately reported late payments can't be removed from your credit reports. And you can't pay someone else to remove accurate information from your reports either. But late payments will fall off your credit reports after 7 years. And there are things you can do to help make sure you don't make late payments in the first place. Whether you're worried about a late payment or not, it's a good idea to regularly monitor your credit. You can learn how to request free copies of your credit reports at annualcreditreport.com. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and share it with anyone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.